Hello and welcome. Watch as I craft delicate pearl and seed bead earring. Material you needed: 6 mm pearl beads, 8 mm pearl beads, 2 mm white beads, 0/11 seed beads, pearl earring stud, jump ring, 0.25 mm nylon wire. Tools: first, pick up 6 mm pearl beads, bring down to the end and tie few knots. The base is ready, but to make it more secure, pass the needle one more time through all, and tie few knots again. Cut the excess wire. Take the 8 mm pearl, pass the needle through the opposite side of the circle to fix in the center. Then come down to the center. Pass the needle from one side to the center. Then go back through the middle 8 mm bead. Come from the other side to the center down, repeating clockwise and anti-clockwise to secure the center piece. The center pearl is now fixed. Now, pass the needle from the 8 mm center pearl bead and bring it upwards to add seed beads. Pick up 7 beads and pass the needle through the 8 mm pearl bead from the other side, adding the seed beads along the side. Repeat the same on the other side. Now, pass the needle through the next 7 seed beads, and on the other side too, connecting and securing them. Then, fill the gap with 4 more seed beads, completing the round around the pearl. Now pass the needle down through the seed beads and the 6 mm pearl bead. Then bring it back up through the seed beads and the 6 mm pearl bead on both sides. Tie knots to secure everything and prevent it from wobbling. Now, pass the needle from the 8 mm pearl bead. Come down to the 6 mm bead and add 2 mm beads in all the gaps for the 6 mm pearls. Now the 2 mm beads have been added into all the gaps, and this is what it looks like now. Bring the needle out from the 2 mm bead, add 5 seed beads, then pass the needle back through the next 2 mm bead, creating an upper layer of seed beads. Pass the needle through few beads, tie few knots to secure, and cut the excess. See, now it's done and looks really pretty. Now you just have to add the jump ring to the earring. Take a jump ring, add the earring and the pearl earring stud, and secure the jump ring. Now it's finished, look how pretty it is, with the pearl flower shape looking beautiful and elegant. Perfect for daily use, parties, or casual wear. Go make your own, and if you do, feel free to share and tag me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will surely answer them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.